I filmed this on purpose, not with a nice finished product. The carpet here, I was going to throw it out from inside our house, but you know what? It covers up a lot of the uneven areas, and especially in these times with all the tariffs and everything, you got to watch your dollar. So hopefully you've seen my video on how not to do a backyard patio DIY, but never mind that. I do have an idea though that I think I'm going to cover up a lot of this, so follow me. First off, I'm going to need to grab my pressure washer. Put this out of here, a little portable Ryobi, works well. Voila. Grab a extension cord. So I was going to throw this away, but I'm thinking cut those out. I might be able to clean this. Not that bad. I think I can pressure wash this, and I'm actually going to use it for patio and cover up a lot of that nasty tile. So what I'm going to do is put it on this table, junk on here. Shop vac. Have this wind chime. This is actually to rake my artificial grass. And this thing, I'm probably just going to throw it away. A bunch of spiders on it. Black widows, slugs. Nasty, but I think this will be, pardon me, cord going. Plug this in there. I'm going to plug this right here. What I'm going to do across here. This way, if it gets pulled and tugged, it doesn't come loose. All right. Turn on all the way, then I just back it out about a quarter. All right. Now I'm probably gonna go through it again. I don't want too much puddles around here since everything's uneven, which is another reason I put it on the table over there. But the sun's gonna bleach this, and I think, it looks a lot better. It's an outdoor, we're gonna throw this away, so I think my tip here, reuse items wherever you can. And case in point, this was inside our house with our dogs and everything. It just got nasty, and we replace it every year. But until I get all this patio done, I'm probably just gonna do concrete. I'm just gonna pay someone, a professional, to come in and knock it out. Too busy with my other job to actually do all that. So until then though, we can still enjoy. And it's just us out here. I'm not entertaining with other people. But at least we can put our feet down on this, and yeah, I think it'll work. View of it here. Make do with what you have. All right, finished result. Like I said, this is, I filmed this on purpose. Not with a nice finished product that you see in a lot of YouTube videos, but I wanted to show you just due to my poor DIY. And I did another video on this. Go ahead and check that out. What not to do, but to make do until I do replace this. The carpet here, which the whole video was about, I was going to throw it out from inside our house, but you know what? It covers up a lot of the uneven areas, and it's still good for your feet. So, especially in these times with all the tariffs and everything, you got to watch your dollar. So, kind of like the COVID era, you know, you're refurbishing whatever you can. Sucks with the economy. We'd like to go out and buy stuff, but these are uncertain times. So again, not to get political at all, but I reuse wherever I can now. So that's basically what we have here, and it's still comfortable to chill out. So I'm Scott from Scott's Top Tips. We'll see you on the next one.